Hi. So here in this question we have let a be greater than 0 and a is greater than 0, x is greater than a and 100 is greater than or equal to x. All are equalities and f of x is mod of x minus a plus mod of x minus 100 plus mod of x minus a minus 50. Then the maximum value of fx becomes 100 when a is equal to what? So for what value of x for what value of a is the maximum value of fx? 100. Okay, so let's first simplify this expression here given these conditions. Now since x is greater than or equal to a, that means mod of x minus a can be written as simply a, right? And similarly, since 100 is greater than x or x is less than 100, then mod of x minus 100 will be written as minus of x minus 100, which is 100 minus x. So this becomes 100 minus x and this is x minus a. Okay? And here we don't know the value of a, so we'll just keep this part as it is, right? So f of x becomes x minus a plus 100 minus x plus mod of x minus a minus 50. So x minus x cancels out, we have 100 minus a plus mod of x minus a minus 50. This is the value of fx. Now the best way to solve this question is by using options and seeing for which value of a the maximum value of fx will be 100. So let's start with option A, which is 0. So if a is 0, f of x becomes 100 minus 0 plus x minus 0 minus 50. So this becomes 100 plus mod of x minus 50. Now let's see, is the maximum value of this function 100 or it can be greater than 100 or it can be less than 100. What all values can it take? Let's see. So now x has to be greater than a, which is 0, and less than equal to 100. So x can be between 0 and 100, any value. Equality is also true. So if we put x equals to 0 over here, so we'll have mod of minus 50 and mod of minus 50 becomes plus 50. So fx becomes 100 plus 50, which is 150, right? So the maximum value of fx is not 100 if a is 0. It can be more than 100. Hence this case is rejected. Okay. Coming to the next option, when a is 25. So if a is 25, we have 100 minus 25 is 75 plus mod of x. Minus 25 minus 50 is minus 75. So we have 75 plus mod of x minus 75. And now x, since a is 25, x can take any value from 25 to 100. Okay. Now again taking x equals to 25, if you put x equals to 25 here, we get mod of 25 minus 75 is minus 50. Mod of minus 50 becomes plus 50. Since this becomes 50 and this is 75, so again f of x comes out to be greater than 100. Since fx becomes greater than 100 for x equals to 25, the maximum value of fx is not 100, it's more than 100. Hence this case is also rejected. Coming to the third option, option C, when x is or a is 50. Now if a is 50, we have 100 minus 50 is 50 and this becomes 50 minus 50, which is minus 100. So x minus 100, this is what we have. Now if we know a is 50. Now if you take x equals to 50 here, this becomes 50 minus 100 is minus 50, minus 50, mod of minus 50 becomes plus 50, so 50 plus 50 is 100. So when a is 50, the value of fx comes out to be 100. What if a is 100? If a is 100, this becomes 0. So as you keep increasing x, when x was 50, the value of this whole expression is 50. As you keep increasing x till 100, the value of this expression will decrease. So if value of this expression will decrease, overall value of fx will decrease. Hence, the maximum value of fx was when x was equal to a, which is 50, and that maximum value was 100. Hence, in this case, fx is always less than equal to 100. That means the maximum value of fx is 100, and this is the case that we require. For a equals to 50, the maximum value of fx is 100. Hence, option C is the right answer. Let's just check for option D as well. If a is 100, this expression becomes 100 minus 100, 0, plus mod of x minus 100 minus 50. So this becomes this thing. Now since x is 100 or a is 100, x has to be greater than equal to 100, less than equal to 100. So there is only one value that x can take, that is 100, and if you put x equals to 100, f of x comes out to be 50. So there is only one value of fx 50, which is not 100. So the maximum value of fx is not 100 in this case either. So this case is also rejected. Option A, B and D are rejected. Only option C is acceptable answer. Hence the correct answer here is option C. Thank you.